Welcome back, and just as promised, this week we are going to make mom's honey cake. This recipe is simple, it's easy to make, it's absolutely delicious, and you won't regret it because your house is just gonna smell so amazing. Please make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, check out my Instagram, my Facebook, my website, everything is linked down below. Let's start with the ingredients. I have all-purpose flour, I have baking soda, baking powder, ground cloves, ground cinnamon, I have eggs, sugar, I have oil, neutral oil, I have coffee, and I have honey. We're going to start by mixing together the dry ingredients. Just add all of them to a small bowl, something that will make it easier for you to transfer it into the mixer later. Speaking of mixer, grab your mixer, add your eggs, add your oil, add your sugar, and start mixing everything on high speed. And we're looking for just a little bit of volume and a lighter color for the actual mix. Once you get there, turn off your mixer, add your honey, and then bring your coffee and your dry ingredients nearby because we're going to start adding those. The way we're going to do this is we're going to add a third of the dry ingredients, the flour, spices, baking soda, baking powder, and then we're going to add a third of the coffee. And we're going to alternate between the two, making sure to give it a second in between each batch for everything to just absorb. Once you have everything inside the mixer, mix it for an additional minute on a higher speed, and then we just want an homogeneous, smooth, watery cake batter. Grab a 9 by 13 inch pan, oil it, and then add your cake batter. As you can see, I have this cookie sheet on the bottom. That's just to catch any drippings while I pour the batter, or while it bakes or anything like that. It's just in case you don't have to do that. Once your cake batter is ready and it's in the pan, drop it in the oven. We're going to let it bake for 50 minutes to an hour. You'll know that it's ready when you take a toothpick, you stab the center of the cake, and the toothpick comes out clean. When I say clean, I mean no wet batter, no visible wet batter on the toothpick. And that's it. Like I said, this is really simple. It's very straightforward. It's very hard to mess up. And when you make it, your house will smell so amazing. And this just brings me back to Rosh Hashana. So happy Rosh Hashana, happy New Year, and enjoy this recipe. I hope you make it, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks a lot.
Okay, bye.